Hi, hello, and namaste. Welcome to my channel Teach Tech. So, today I am explaining a topic or a shortcut. You can say the shortcut. That is nothing but so trigonometric angles. Shortcut to remember. So, uh, this is related to complete 10th class, and this trigonometric chapter is related with 12 marks during board exams. So, how to remember this shortcut of trigonometric angles? You know, total 6 trigonometric ratios are there. That is nothing but sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. So, 6 are ratios with how many angles? So, if you go, it starts with 0 degrees angle, next 30 degrees angle, next 45 degrees angle, next 60 degrees angle, next 90 degrees angle. Okay, so total 6 ratios and 5 angles. Okay, total 6 ratios and 5 angles. So you need to remember nearly 30 values you need to remember. So you need to remember 30 values. So how to remember these 30 values? So there is a simple technique. If you get sine theta, okay, if you get sine theta, you can get all 5 angles, 5 ratios, sorry, you can get 5 ratios easily, 5 ratios easily. So if you get sine theta 5 angles, okay, if you get sine theta 5 angles, you can get all 5 ratios easily. So how to remember sine theta? Okay, simple technique I am saying. 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. These are the 5 angles, right? Just remember 5 sine theta. First you are taking total 5 ratios are there, right? So but what I am doing, I am writing 0 divided by 4. Okay, so I am writing 0 divided by 4. Okay, root over of 0 divided by 4 I am writing. Next what I am doing, 0 after 0 అంటే 0 తర్వాత what is the value or what is the number? So 0 after 1, right? You are writing 1 by 4, root over of 1 by 4. Again after 0 after 1 you are getting 2, right? 2 by 4, root over of 2 by 4. 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and now 3 by 4, and then 4 by 4. So you know 0 by 4 value is 0, right? And 1 root over of 1 by 4, root over of 1 is 1, and root over of 4 is 2, right? And coming to 45 degrees, what I am doing, 2 ones are 2, cancellation, right? 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So root 1 value is 1 and root 2 value is root 2. And coming to 60 degrees, root 3 value is root 3 and root 4 value is 2. And in 4 table, 4 ones are, root 1 value is 1. These are the sine values. So 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, and root 3 by 2, right? So I am writing same thing. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, next root 3 by 2 and 1. You got the sine angles, right? You understood. You got the sine angles. Now what I am doing, simply we can just reciprocate the values. Okay, ante just reverse the values of sine theta, you will get the cos theta. Ante chudandi. So here 1 is there, I am writing 1 here, and here root 3 by 2 is there, root 3 by 2, and here 1 by root 2 is there, 1 by root 2, here 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2, here 0 is there, here 0, right? So these are the cos theta values. Okay, I think you understood. So underline I will do at last. Why? Because I am using phone on one hand and other one I am saying directly. Okay, so I think you can understand my problem. I am only saying directly, so I will underline at last. So you got the sin theta and cos theta. Now what about tan theta? Okay, so you actually we know that tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Okay, tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Just you know the sin values. Okay, just 1 second, I am keeping above so that you can understand it easily. 1 second, I think okay, I'll do one thing. I'll fold the paper so that you will be easily think. So see that tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so you know what is sin theta here. Sin theta is 0 and cos theta is 1. So here I am doing sin theta is 0 and cos theta is 1. 0 by 1 value is 0, right? 0 by 1 value is 0. Okay, tan theta, here only I am writing for your easy purpose, sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 is nothing but is 0. So tan theta is value is 0. Similarly 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. See here 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Okay, what happening, 2 2 is going to be cancelled, remaining terms are 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3. Okay, so once again I am saying, see here 1 by 2 is there and 1 by and root 3 by 2 is there. Okay, so what I am doing, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, 1 by root 3. Okay, I think you understood, right? So I am getting 1 by root 3. Okay, similarly 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, root 2 cancel, 1 1 cancel, you will get 1. Okay, and similarly root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, so 2 2 cancel, root 3 by 1 is root 3 and 1 by 0. Remember 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is the value which is not possible. So what we are writing, not defined, it cannot be countable. Okay, so 1 by 0 value is not defined. So what is that, 1 by 0 value is not defined. Okay, right. Now what I am doing, cosecant theta, as you maybe I don't know, I will start trigonometric chapter in the next session. So you will get easy idea of each and every formula. So cosecant theta is just a reciprocal of sin theta, I mean reverse of sin theta mata. So cosecant theta means what, 1 by sin theta. Okay, so here I am writing. So see here, wait, I will take one more paper, I think for you it will be easy. See here, cosecant theta. So generally what is cosecant theta, I said cosecant theta equals to 1 by sin theta. Just a reciprocal. So where is sin theta? Sin theta is here. So you need to reciprocal this value. 0 is there. In denominator nothing is there. We need to take it as 1. Ante 0 by 1. Okay, 0 by 1. You are reciprocating this value as 1 by 0. Okay, 1 by 0 now only I said. 1 by 0 is which cannot be countable. So this is not defined. Okay, it is not defined. So same thing I am writing. So here 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is nothing but not defined, not defined. And coming to here, same reciprocal of 1 by 2 I am doing. 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. Here also reciprocal of root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 is nothing but root 2. And here also reciprocal of root 3 by 2. That is nothing but 2 by root 3. Here reciprocal of 1. Denominator nothing is there, no, you need to write it as 1. 1 by 1 reciprocal will be 1. Okay, right, I think you understood. Similarly secant theta. What is secant theta? Just secant theta here reverse. See here sin theta reverse is nothing but cosecant theta. Here cos theta reverse is nothing but a secant theta. So 1 by cos theta. Okay, simple. If you get sin theta, automatically you will get cos theta. If you get cos theta, sin by cos is nothing but a tan theta. Then if you want a cosecant, just reciprocal of sin. If you want a secant, just reciprocal of cos. If you want cot, just reciprocal of tan. Okay, so similarly I am going here. See, secant theta. Secant theta is nothing but reciprocal or reverse of cos theta. So 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta. See here, cos theta value is 1. But denominator nothing is there, no, we need to take 1 by 1. 1 by 1 reciprocal will be 1 only, right? So you are getting 1 here. Similarly, I am reciprocating the cos theta here. Root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. And 1 by root 2 value reciprocal will be root 2 by 1. That is nothing but root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. That is nothing but 2. Here 0. Denominator we need to consider it as 1. Okay, we need to consider it as 1. So 0 by 1 reciprocal will be 1 by 0, which is not possible. That is nothing but not defined. సో నెక్స్ట్ టైం నేను తెలుగులో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. వై బికాస్ బిఫోర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ఐ యూస్ టు గెట్ నార్మలీ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. దట్స్ ద మెయిన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. బట్ ఐ ట్రై టు నేను తెలుగులో మన రిలీజియస్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో చెప్పడానికి నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు కాట్ theta. Cot is nothing but reciprocal of tan. So 1 by tan theta. So I think you will understand why, because I am catching phone and I am explaining directly. So maybe some disturbance may be there, and some my small family disturbances will be also there. So please try to adjust. Okay. So now only I said like cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of 1 by tan theta. So see here, tan theta here value is 0, right? Tan theta here value is 0. 0 by 1 we are writing. Reciprocal of this will be what? 0 only. 0 by 1 we are writing. That reciprocal is nothing but 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is once again not possible, right? That is nothing but not defined. Okay, so maybe in next sessions I will try to say trigonometric ratios, that to 10th CBSE NCERT level book I will try to explain. I want to say the basic shortcuts. Why? Because this is my new channel, so I need viewers, subscribers. So please try to share, subscribe to my Teach Text channel, so that I'll get a content, so I can give more some more videos which I can have, which I can share what I know at a particular time. So which time it will be possible, I will try to explain. Okay, so please try to subscribe, share, and like my, if you like my videos, please like my videos. So why? Because I need some viewers which will helpful to my career development also. Right now I am generally doing work which is not satisfied, so I need a that I need some support from you, so that I can give more different videos, logical videos, analytical videos, so shortcuts and many methods what I can explain. Okay, so we'll continue. Sorry to say my waste in use sense. Okay, so we'll continue. So cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta, I said. So 0 by 1. Okay, 0 by 1 reciprocal 1 by 0, which is not possible. Next, I am taking next value 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 reciprocal will be root 3 by 1. Okay, that is nothing but root 3. Here 1 by 1 we are writing. Denominator is nothing, no. We are writing 1 by 1. That reciprocal is 1. And here root 3 is there. When denominator we are writing 1. Root 3 by 1 reciprocal will be 1 by root 3, and this is highlight new one. So not defined is there. Not defined by 1 is there. Reciprocal will be 1 by not defined. Okay, reciprocal will be 1 by not defined. So how to get the reciprocal value of 1 by not defined? Generally I want to give you examples. I think it will be understand for you. Suppose I am taking 1 by 1 value as 1, right? 1 by 2. Now I increase the denominator value. So 1 by 2, if we write in decimals, we get 0.5. Now if I take 1 by 3 value, if I write in decimals, you are getting 0.33, so 33, so on. Next I am writing 1 by 4, that is nothing but 0.25. Okay, so why I am saying these examples? 1 by 1 value 1, 1 by 2 value 0.5, 1 by 3 value 0.333, 1 by 4 value 0.25. Can you guess it? Why I have taken example? Can you guess it? Why? Because if I increase the denominator, the value we are getting is going to be reduced. Okay, once again I am saying, if I increase the denominator, what happens? The value I am getting is going to be reduced. See here, 1 is there, 1 kante chinna, 0.5 is there, 0.5 kante chinna, 0.33 is there, 0.3 ki smaller value is 0.25. So on it is getting. So if we are writing not defined value, not defined is nothing but which cannot be countable, right? Not defined value which cannot be countable. Not countable. So not countable ante high ఎక్కువ value అన్నట్టేనా, right? Not countable is highest value. When you are reaching the highest value, see, we are nearly coming to the value 0. సో 0.5 ఉంది, 0.33 ఉంది, 0.25 ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఒకవేళ 1/5 తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, 0.2 ఉంది. సో వీఆర్ నియర్లీ రీచింగ్ అట్ లాస్ట్ వాల్యూ టు 0. అంటే నాట్ డిఫైన్డ్ వాల్యూ విల్ బి రీచింగ్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ ఆర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ టు వాల్యూ 0. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్. అర్థమైందా? వెన్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు get sin theta, automatically we'll get the cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. So you can remember easily this 30 values, right? I think you have understood the way how to remember sin theta. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel, and even if possible, like how many members you can share, it will be helpful to me also. Thank you so much.